Hello everyone. If you want to add a lightning effect to your game character, just like the Flash, then this asset might be exactly what you're looking for. Today I want to recommend a Unity asset called Lightning Tool. With this tool, you can easily add dynamic lightning effects to your characters or objects. It's very simple to use, even if you don't have much experience with visual effects. The lightning can also interact with surrounding objects, which makes the effect feel much more dynamic and realistic in gameplay. Lightning Tool exposes a lot of useful parameters, so you can freely adjust the thickness, life cycle, length, color, and frequency of the lightning. This makes it easy to create different styles of lightning effects for different situations. Another great thing is that it supports all major render pipelines, including URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline. It also supports multiple platforms such as Windows, Android, and iOS, so you can safely use it in both PC and mobile projects. If you're looking for a simple but flexible lightning effect solution in Unity, this tool is definitely worth checking out. I put the purchase link in the video description and also in the pinned comment below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.